Hello, today we will guide you through how to add multi-state elements and hover effects in Funnelish. To begin, open Funnelish and go to the Get Started page. This is your main entry point into the platform, and from here you can quickly navigate to the area where your funnel pages are managed. Once the page loads, look at the top navigation bar and click on Funnels. This will take you to the section where all of your available funnels are listed. When you arrive in the Funnels area, select the sample funnel. This is the funnel we'll use for this walkthrough. After opening it, locate the landing page step and click on it. The landing page is where you'll be making the visual update, so this is the correct step to open before entering the editor. Next, click Edit. This launches the page editor where you can customize individual elements and control how they appear and behave. Give the editor a moment to load fully so all editing options become available. Once you're inside the editor, click on the sample element you want to modify. Selecting the correct element is important because the hover effect will only apply to the item you currently have highlighted. If you're working on a button, image, or another design block, make sure that exact item is selected before moving on. With the element selected, go to the left toolbar and click on Add Hover. This is where you enable a hover state for the element. A hover state allows the element to change appearance when a visitor moves their cursor over it, which can make your page feel more interactive and polished. Depending on the element, this can be useful for drawing attention, improving visual feedback, or making buttons feel more responsive. After adding the hover state, make your desired adjustments within that hover configuration. Take a moment to review the changes carefully so the effect matches the style of your page. It's a good idea to keep hover effects noticeable but not distracting, especially if you want the design to remain clean and professional. Once you're done, click Save Changes. This final step is important because it ensures your hover effect is applied and stored in the page editor. After saving, you can preview the page to confirm the effect behaves the way you expect. That's it. You've successfully added a multi-state hover effect to an element in Funnelish.